Good morning, students. We have completed nucleophilic substitution reactions, and in our last class we have discussed that the nucleophilic substitution reaction gets for the haloarenes, it gets activated by the presence of the electron withdrawing group, especially at the ortho and the para position. The meta position doesn't affect the reactivity of the haloarenes toward the nucleophilic substitution reaction. This we have explained with the help of the resonating structures, right? By drawing the resonating structures, we came to the conclusion that the carbon holding the NO2 group at the meta position doesn't get the electron pair which can go in conjugation with the nitro group while drawing the resonating structure. Hence, the carbanion is not stabilized as much as it is stabilized when the NO2 group is at the ortho position and at the para position. Now students, today we are going to start the electrophilic substitution reactions of the haloarenes. Students, haloarenes undergo electrophilic substitution reaction at ortho and para position. These reactions are also carried out under we can say elevated temperature, or we can say here the under the drastic conditions, right, in comparison to the benzene. Now first let us see that the electrophilic substitution reaction haloarenes, the attack of the electrophile will take place at what position? For that we have to draw the structure of the resonating structure of haloarene. So when we draw the structure of resonating structure of haloarene, we will find that the electron rich site is at ortho and para position. When we say electron rich site, that means the electron density will be high at the ortho and the para position. So here you can see that the electron density or the electron pair is coming at the ortho position with respect to the halogen. So here the electrophile, which is electron loving, which is in need of the electron loving point, where the electron rich center is there, it will attack here, right? Similarly, we will also get the electron density increased at the para position. So here you can see that electron density is getting increased at the para position with respect to the halogen atom. Again you can see that the electron density is again high at the ortho position with respect to the halogen atom. Right? So here we can conclude that the electrophilic substitution position will take place at ortho and the para position as the electron density is high at ortho and para. So we can see that during electrophilic substitution reaction, electrophile attacks the haloarene at ortho and para position as the electron density get increased at these positions due to resonance, right? Second thing I want to add here that the when the electrophilic substitution reaction will take place, we will get the product right from the haloarenes. When the electrophile will attack to it, we will get students two products. One is the ortho product, another is the para product. So the product obtained, that is ortho and para, right? Among the two students, the para will be para product is the major product. Why? Why it will be so? Because the ortho product, ortho compound, ortho product is sterically hindered, right? Or we can say that due to the steric hindrance, the ortho product quantity will be less. Now, second thing here, this was the first thing. Now, the second thing is that if we compare the reactivity of the benzene with the haloarenes toward the electrophilic substitution reaction, the benzene is more reactive toward this reaction, that is electrophilic substitution reaction, and why is it so? Because of minus I effect in haloarenes, right? So due to minus effect of the halogen group in the haloarenes, right? Okay, hope so it's now visible. So benzene is more reactive toward this reaction, that is toward the electrophilic substitution reaction, because of the minus I effect, that is the inductive effect of the halogen atom, right? This is the halogen atom. So the halogen atom will also show the minus of I effect, that is it will pull the electron cloud from the benzene ring toward it. As a result, student, what will happen? The attack of the electrophile will be less in comparison to that of benzene, which is not substituted by the halogen group. Right now, students, we will see certain reactions of the haloarenes where it is undergoing the electrophilic substitution reaction. Have a look on the electrophilic examples of electrophilic substitution reaction which the haloarene undergoes. The first is the halogenation reaction. Here when the haloarene benzene undergoes the halogenation with chlorine, or with the halogen, since it is chlorobenzene, I am taking here halogen chlorine in presence of FeCl3, right? Then the electrophilic substitution will take place at the ortho position and at the para position, right? And here it is ortho dichlorobenzene and this is para dichlorobenzene. As I said, this is going to be the major product and this is the minor product. Steric hindrance means here the sterically hindered position of the halogen atom at ortho position, right, will lead to its less amount or less quantity if we compare the ortho and the para position. Second, student, is the nitration. So this is the, I am taking students chlorobenzene. You can get the reaction done with the bromo also. and iodine also. It is a haloarine plus nitric acid. We have to take, student, the nitrating mixture, right? So that an electrophile is generated. So here the electrophile was Cl positive. Here, student, it is NO2 positive is the electrophile to be generated in this reaction. So we get the product at the ortho. NO2 group will be attacked at the ortho position and at the para position. Right? So we are getting here 1 to 2 2 nitrochlorobenzene, and it is 4 nitrochlorobenzene. Right? Among this is going to be the major product, and this is the minor product. So this is ortho nitrochlorobenzene. And this is para nitrochlorobenzene form. Right? Hope so. The reactions are clearly visible. Now next reaction is this sulfonation. So in sulfonation, student, this is the haloarine reaction with H2SO4 concentrated. This is Cl, right? And we will get the product form SO3H at the ortho position. SO3H at the ortho position, and another product is the para position, right? So here I'm writing the product again as it is not visible. So this is there, SO3H, right, at the ortho position and at the para position. So student, here this is orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid. So here we have the product benzene sulfonic this is 1 and 2. You can write it as 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic PHO sulfonic acid, and this is, student, you can write down as para chlorobenzene sulfonic acid or 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Right, now the next is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So student, here in Friedel-Crafts the alkyl group will be added. So here it is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So it is, for that we need an alkyl group. So if we take CH3Cl in presence of anhydrous FeCl3, we will get CH3 group or the alkyl group at the ortho and the para position. Right? Similarly, we have got one more, that is Friedel-Crafts acylation. ethyl chloride. Here also again anhydrous FeCl3. This is COCH3 ortho position, and another is the para position COCH3. Right? So these are the products for the product of acylation and alkylation of the haloarenes. Right? So here, when we have COCH, it is orthochloroacetophenone, chloroacetophenone or 2-chloroacetophenone, and here it is para-chloroacetophenone. Right? So it is going to be para-chloroacetophenone. Right? And so far is here we have got the Cl group and the alkyl group attached to Cl and CH3. Right? So just try to name this compound having alkyl group at ortho and para position with respect to the benzene group, with respect to this halogen group. So student, it will be orthochlorotoluene, and this is para-chlorotoluene. Right? So we have completed, student, here the electrophilic substitution reactions. Now we will see the next set of reaction where the haloarenes reacts with the metals. So reaction with active metals. Right? So here we will see some of the reactions. So we have done this electrophilic substitution reaction. Now next is the reaction with active metals. So first is the reaction with sodium. Here we will get two main reactions. First is the Fittich reaction. So this is benzene having the halogen atom. Again the reaction will take place with sodium metal. Right, in presence of dry ether, and the product obtained is biphenyl. Right, so here minus 2NaX. This is students Fittich reaction. Now next is the Wurtz-Fittich reaction. Wurtz-Fittich reaction. So here we will get the both benzene and the alkyl group reacted with the sodium metal. Let it be, if you have taken instead of R, we are placing here CH3, that is in presence of dry ether. So this X part with sodium metal will get removed, and the product form will be student toluene. Right? This reaction is known as students Wurtz-Fittich reaction, and the first one was the Fittich reaction. Now, second is reaction with magnesium. So, benzene ring with the halogen atom X with magnesium in presence. Here also the reaction will take place in presence of dry ether, and there will be no elimination or removal. We will get the compound again a form of Grignard reagent only. This is phenyl, magnesium halide. Right, so these are the we can say the reactions, or we can have the haloarine can also react with the other active metals also, but we have just given examples of these two. Right, so just go through these. Right, we have completed the chemical properties of the haloarenes under the headings nucleophilic substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, and the reaction with the active metals. Right, so just go through it. Yes, students, we can just add one more set of reaction here, that is the reduction reaction. So haloarenes, when undergoes the reduction, they are going to form the benzene, right? So benzene will be formed. So now just this is the end of this unit. Now on next day we are going to start with the next unit, that will be alcohol, phenol and ether. Till now just get this all things noted down in your notebook. Thank you.